Skylarking. Some of them skylarking. Skylarking. What is sky?
Alrighty then. Skylarking. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to, of course, what we call Link Up Radio right here, of course, on 93.5 WVIP FM. It's time for Cruising with the Case Handler, so let's jump right into it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Adam?
Yeah, buddy. What is it? What is Skylark? I mean, that's a car. It was a car. What's Skylarking mean? Come on, school
me. It's a term. You know, it's just a term. It's skylarking. You know, it's like you're playing around.
Okay.
That kind of thing.
Well, I'm not playing around, and I'm not playing around by telling you that it's been a really great ride on this radio station for the past 19 years.
Yes,
I've really, in the 19 years that I've been on this radio station, I essentially graduated law school, moved back to New York from Boston, worked at another law firm, kicked ass there for about 9 years, went off on my own, kicked ass in the past 9 years here. And it's been a great ride. So thank you so much, 93.5 FM. Thank you so much, WVIP. Thank you so much, New York West Indian community. Thank you so much, Squeeze. Thank you so much, Irie Jam. Thank you so much, all of my supporters over the years who have dubbed the most successful, most celebrated, and most competent personal injury attorney for this particular community. So thank you so much. And Squeeze, it's good to be here on Cruising with the Case Handler.
Now it sounds like you're going away and you're never coming back.
Well, that in some ways, I mean, listen, we have to, savor those last weeks of 93.5 FM. I'm not going anywhere. Are you going anywhere?
Absolutely. I'm not going anywhere. The station is going somewhere, but we're not going anywhere.
I am not going anywhere. You folks out there can depend on me, can count on me, can rely on me to help you pick up the pieces when, God forbid, you're in an accident. And that's my pledge to you. The platform may be different for me getting the information out to you, but as long as you know the case handler exists out there, as long as you've been connected to me on social media, right? You should be following the case handler on Instagram, following the case handler on Facebook, and of course, taking down this number, which I'll give in a minute. You'll never have to worry about, you'll never ask yourself this question: where the hell do I turn to make sure that I am fairly compensated
right
for this terrible situation? Right. That's never going to be a question you're going to have. The only question is, are you preparing now? Because while you can't prepare for that accident, you can prepare for that response. And Cruising with the Case Handler consistently, other than providing you information and entertainment, is helping you prepare for that response. And you can prepare for that response by taking this phone number down. Ready? Here we go. I'm going to give it out a couple of times. Maybe Squeeze will too. 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. Or easy remember, 844-PPID Law. You're probably saying, what the hell is PPID? PPID are the initials of my law firm, Pollock, Isaac, and DeSico. I've been a proud partner of this firm for 8+ years now, after going off on my own. So it's 844-PPID Law. That's the number for the most celebrated, most successful, and most consistent attorney on this radio.
And Zenmar said to tell you, slip and fall. Who are you going to call? He just
Zenmar, my God. Zenmar, yeah, this is Zenmar. Good morning to you, yeah.
Oh, man. Ladies and gentlemen, his name is Adam Handler. He's the top personal injury attorney. Let's just get down to business, man. He's got a few testimonies that I want to hear, and I'm quite sure you want to hear what it is that he's talking about and how he has helped people. So let's get it from the horse's mouth, as they say. But the phone number that you need for the top personal injury attorney is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. 844-774-3529. That is the number for Adam Handler. Other than that, you can Google him, look him up all over the internet. He's there. He's got 5
Yeah,
star
we got
ratings. You know, he's
we
got
got to talk about that, Squeeze.
got 100
You know,
reviews. You know, I
we
saw that.
hit. I'm sorry, you go first, please. Ladies
I
first.
saw where you posted that you got 100 reviews, and you're all 5 stars, man. I saw that.
Yeah, no, yesterday was awesome. I had a client. We settled this case for 100,000, which was the maximum amount, and he was so kind to leave a Google review. It was our 100th Google review, all 5 stars, a perfect 5-star score across 100 reviews. I was so very excited. Of course, if you're watching this live right now on Facebook, you've already been.
You're muted, dude. You just muted like a split second ago. There you go. Now you're back.
Can you hear me? I
Yep.
said if you're watching this right now on Facebook, you're obviously connected to my practice and saw that post. But I'm so very, very proud of that milestone. Just because, Squeeze, and I always say this, your endorsement means the world to me. The other endorsements of the DJs on this radio station means the world to me. But truly, the best endorsements are from those individuals that really were going about their business, either going to work, going to church, going to dinner, going to visit family, going on vacation, and they got struck in the rear, or somebody ran a red light, or they tripped and fell on the sidewalk, or they were on the ladder and fell off at work. A million different ways to get injured. But the fact is that regardless of your immigration status, no matter who you are, what you're doing here, what's happened in your past, you are entitled to money under the law, and we'll help you get that money. And that's as simple as that. But really, real quick, I just gotta profile this 100-star, this 100 review.
Let me give out the number while you're doing that.
I'm out of words. I'm so choked up, man. I can't even say my words.
I see that. 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. We just popped it up on the screen. If you're watching us on Facebook, you'll see what Adam is talking about.
And do me a favor, Squeeze, because Google does a very good job at mentioning keywords. Can we just talk about the keywords that you see here? What the number one keyword on my Google reviews? Do you see that right there?
Yes, team.
Because nobody can do it on their own, and of course, teamwork makes the dream work. And in my post yesterday, I specifically thanked Matt Goodstein, my associate, my ride or die brother in this business. Sandra, my paralegal, has been with me for 14 years, even at the other law firm, and we both left and we joined back up. Sandy, Shanice, and Sasha. It truly is a team effort, and I'm so very proud and blessed by this team. And then, of course, the next word: results, family, questions, treatment. And that is the most important thing. Obviously, this is a results-based business, but when the same amount of people use the word results as they do family, that makes me feel good, because that means that these clients truly felt that they were part of the case handler family, felt looked after, cared for, and of course respected. And that's just one of the differences between myself and those other attorneys out there that claim that they do personal injury in any effective manner. I mean, we do things very, very differently than other law firms and other attorneys, and that's something we're really proud of. So it's not just about the excellent results. It's not about the thousands of people we've helped obtain millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. I could say the word millions over 180 times, right? It's about treating people with respect, treating people like family, and making sure that they understand that that this is home, because a lot of these cases, they're not just 3-month they're not just 3-month ordeals. We just signed up a case the other day. Lady's driving down the street. Another car runs a red light, hits her. The other car happens to be an EMS worker who is making up some BS story that he was involved in an emergency, and that's why he could run the red light. It's not what happened, but this case is going to take years. And I told her, I said, listen, you and we're going to be friends for a long time, because the city, they don't play, and they're going to make us, they're going to put us to our proofs.
Yep.
They're gonna put us through the process, and we're gonna dig in. And it's very likely that this case could go years, and we're willing to fight to make sure that she gets the exact amount of money that she deserves. So don't take my word for it. Don't take Squeeze's word for it. Take the words of those other individuals who never, ever, 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 ever thought they get into an accident and then needed my help. Check out what these people had to say.
Adam, right now, because him are the baddest liar in the world, #1 baddest liar. And we know what we have a case, and we know what I'm gonna do. We go with it. All right. So people, listen to me. If we not have a case, come to Adam. He may take care of you every time. Take care of you good.
Love that. Hold on.
That's what we're talking about. Let's have another one now.
Anderson, I was in an accident last year, and I've gotten help because of Adam Andles. He's the best attorney I could think of. I would recommend him to anyone. The service is real easy and convenient and efficient. His team is very good as well. They help you through every process step by step. Like I said, I would recommend them to anyone. You know, they're very helpful.
Couple more, then we'll cut out.
Hi, my name is Opal. And
Opal? Are you muted, dude?
I don't know what's going on with that. I'll play it again.
Okay.
It's so weird. It just like automatically mutes.
hi, my name is Opal, and I can say for Adam and Matthew, oh, they're the best. I never had an experience like this before, but I was so comfortable with knowing that they have my case, because every time we conversate, you know, they call me with something positive. It was in 21 when I got in a very bad car accident, and now it's 23, March of 23, and I got my payment, and I am when I said very, very comfortable with what they did. If anyone need any kind of injury lawyer, they are the one to contact, Adam and Matthew. I am so happy today because of what I got, and you will be too.
Ladies and gentlemen, cruising with the case handler. His name is Adam Handler. I need for you all to take this number. The number is 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529. Reach out to the case handler. 844-774-3529. In conclusion, Adam, I'll let you have the final word for now.
Yeah. In conclusion, if your attorney's name is not Adam Handler, you have the wrong attorney. I'm not apologetic in saying that. We handle our business very differently. Check out the exceptional legal work I've performed for this community. Check me out on Instagram, The Case Handler. Check me out on Facebook, The Case Handler. Google The Case Handler. Check out those 100 5-star Google reviews, ladies and gentlemen. The best possible endorsement comes from those individuals who needed my help. Thank you so very much. Love you guys. God bless. See you soon. And stay safe out there. Hopefully you never need my number, but God forbid you do. Adam Handler, The Case Handler, 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529.